Business capsule for the day: dropshipping. Imagine running a retail business but without ever handling the products yourself. You sell the product but it's shipped directly from the supplier to the consumer. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. Let's say you want to sell cool t-shirts, but you don't have money to buy a bunch of t-shirts or a place to store them in a warehouse. But how to go about it? Let's break it down. First, you find a company that makes or supplies cool t-shirts. Then you set up an online shop, maybe using a website like Shopify. You list all those t-shirts as if they're your own. When someone comes to your online shop and buys a t-shirt, you get a notification. But here is the magic part. Instead of you packing and shipping the t-shirt, you tell the t-shirt company to send the shirt directly to the customer. Say in this case, the t-shirt in your online store is priced at 1000 rupees, and while what you pay to t-shirt company who manages all packing and shipping is just 700 rupees, the difference in this case is 300 rupees, which is your profit. So basically, you're like a middleman connecting the customer to the t-shirt maker, and you're making the money in the process. Your focus is on getting people to your website and making it cool, while someone takes care of the boring stuff like packing and shipping. Though it may seem simple, it's not, because it's a type of business model that requires its own set of strategies and hard work. Share it if you find it interesting.